Alright guys, panibagong video, panibagong vlog na naman. Ngayong araw ay papagawa natin yung sasakyan ni Esme. Kaya samahan nyo ako, let's go! Alright guys, ito na yung sasakyan ni Mrs. Pinagawa ko. Ito, pinagawa. Ito yung tire. This is the tire. Yan ang pinalitan guys, bago. Yan guys. Bilis lang sila maglagay dito. Bago guys. Oh. Yan. Wow. Yan. Alright. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you very much. Tapos na guys. Tapos na ang kanyang sasakyan. Ayan. Kung gusto nyo magpagawa ng mga punctured na tire guys, dito lang tayo sa Quick Fit. Ito yung mga tire nya. This is this man, big man here in Quick Fit. This is the guy. If you're looking for a man to fix your puncture car, this is the guy here. Mababait sila dito guys. Mababait sila dito. Ang ganda. Mabilis ang serbisyo. Ayan. Kaya ako guys, kung basta nagpapagawa ako ng mga tire dito ako sa Quick Fit, basta tire lang, mabilis, mura pa. Ayan guys, oh. Ayan. Ayan siya guys. Tapos siya guys, yung owner dito, meron siyang kasi titiwi race ngayon, meron siyang mga alak dito, oh. Yan ang konsumo niya. Manood lang ng kanyang titirace at kasama niya na yung mga staff niya. Yan, isang palitang alak. Ang dami guys, oh. Yan. Alright guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aking video ngayon. Ayan. Ba't ibang mga size na mga tire guys, oh. Ang dami mga tire guys. Yan. Tire lahat yan. Yan. Okay. Yan. Tatlo itong lift up niya. Ay, apat. Ay, tatlo. Isa. Ay, apat. Isa. Dalawa. Tatlo, apat. Itong malaki na to. Tapos ito na itong kay Mrs. Tapos na. Bago na itong tire guys. So, bago. Kasi naman oh, na puncture dahil nga dito. Alright po. Ngayon i-start natin. Tignan natin kung ano. Ito guys yung locking nut niya. Kung wala ka nito, hindi mo yan matanggal yung tire dito sa UK. So kailangan nito mayroon locking nut. Importante yan, locking nut. Yan, i-start natin. Ito guys, oh, ang binayaran ko dito, yan ang binayaran natin dito, 80 pounds kasama na ang pagkabit at saka yung tire. Yan, oh. Pag nag-issue sila dito, vehicle make model Ford Fiesta, tapos yan, oh, ang tire at saka yung balance at saka includes but total payment 80 pounds lahat na ba. Ayan. 20% ang bat. 66 lang pala yung tire. Tapos bat niya iba. Ayan. I-start natin guys. Ayan. Alright. Door open. How to reset the tire? How to reset it? How to reset? There's a sign there. Do you know how to reset it?
CPMS reset? There you go.
Yeah. Because I don't know how to reset.
Yeah,
Alright.
every car is different and the
Different, yeah, I know.
yeah, you'll have an idea.
Yeah. Guys, this is the man. What is your name?
Cody.
Cody. Yeah, this is the man who fixed the tire of my wife car. It's okay now. So, thank you very much, Cody.
Not a problem at all.
Yeah, he's a good lad. If you want to fix your tire here in Isle of Man, you can come here in Quick Fit. Is this Quick Fit?
Quick Fit City
Yeah.
Centre.
Yeah, Quick Fit City Center. That's good. I-reset niya guys yung tire. Oh, doon lang pala oh. I-reset niya doon guys oh. Galing. Oh, doon. Alright. Well done. Thank you very much. What's your name?
Paul.
Paul. If you come here in Quick Fit, you can say Paul or Cody. Cody.
And we do recoveries as well.
Are you doing recoveries as well?
Yeah.
All right, that's good. Yeah. So I include you in my vlog, yeah?
No
Thank you very much, Paul. Thank you, Cody.
Yes.
Thank you. See you later. All right, guys, yan. Maganda dito, guys. Kaya mababait sila dito. Ayan, okay na itong Okay na itong tire, guys. Ayos na. Ayan. Alright. Alright, guys. So, yan. Tignan natin. Wala na. Wala nang wala nang sign dyan, guys. Oh. Kanina mayroon. Itong sign na to, sa naman yan, sa June 12 ang assignment niyan. Change oil lang yan. Pa-change oil natin yan sa June 12. Naka-schedule na ito, guys. Alright. Ayan po. Ganda na. Ayos na ang sasakyan ni Arlene. Cool. May ginagawa silang sasakyan dyan guys. Oh. Nag-recovery at nag-change sila ng mga tire. Ayan. Alright guys. So that's it for now. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Kaya don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And comments down below. Bye-bye!